Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the BTC USDT symbol which is at top left corner. So once you click over there, you can see another section pops out where you can search for your stocks over here, but you can simply click on stocks and now search for Apple. Let's say I want to buy the stocks of the Apple, so let me click on that, and now just down below this symbol you can see the sell market and buy market. Click on buy market, and now you can adjust your take profit, stop loss, and you can enter your shares here, and finally click on buy and you'll be able to buy stocks on TradingView successfully. So basically this is how you can buy stocks on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.